Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Are you looking to take control of your finances and build a stronger financial future? Well, you're in the right place. In today's video, we'll be discussing some essential tips and strategies to help you manage your money effectively. First things first, let's talk about budgeting. A budget is a plan for how you want to use your money. It's essential to understand where your money is going and make conscious decisions about how you want to allocate your resources. Start by tracking your income and expenses. Make a list of all your necessary expenses like rent, utilities, and groceries. Then, identify areas where you can cut back and allocate that money towards saving and debt repayment. Saving is crucial for building wealth and achieving financial stability. Aim to save at least 20% of your net income. Start small if you need to, and gradually increase your savings over time. Consider setting up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings or investment accounts. Investing can seem intimidating, but it's easier than you think. Start by educating yourself on different types of investments, such as stocks, bonds, and ETFs. Consider consulting a financial advisor or using online resources to help you get started. Remember, investing is a long-term game, so be patient and don't be afraid to take calculated risks. Debt can be a major obstacle to achieving financial freedom. Make a list of all your debts, starting with the ones with the highest interest rates. Pay the minimum on all debts except the one you're focusing on, which you'll pay as much as possible towards. Consider consolidating debt into a lower interest loan or balance transfer credit card. Your credit score plays a significant role in determining your financial health. Check your credit report regularly to ensure it's accurate. Pay your bills on time, keep credit utilization below 30%, and avoid applying for too many credit cards or loans. That's it for today's video. Remember, taking control of your finances is a journey, and it's okay to start small. By following these tips and staying consistent, you'll be well on your way to building a stronger financial future. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more content.